Hello everyone, we are from DJ Venture Projects. Today we want to show you unboxing of USB modules. So let's begin.
I was looking for USB modules for doing some electronic and power generation projects where I will generate 5 volt DC. Also, I want to use that power, that's why I was looking for some USB modules where I will supply that DC and it should have female port where USB cable can insert. So I did little research. I checked all the products independently for what are the drawbacks, like 6 volt to 24 volt to 5 volt 3 ampere USB output. So I went through many products and bought two products. One is this one. You can see this one input voltage DC 6 to 24 volt, 12 volt or 24 volt to 5 volt 3 ampere output current. So output will vary on what input will provide, and this conversion energy is up to 97.5%, 6.5 volt step down to 5 volt 0.7 ampere. So this is probably the best efficiency point if I draw some kind of curve. Now we see the product picture and views. So it's input positive side and this is input negative side. If I generate some power DC and connect this to terminal, this is the output voltage indicator. This is 3 solid state MLCC high capacity ceramic capacitors. This is flat copper inductor of ultra low resistance. This is input reverse protection diode. This is over voltage protection. This USB of output max 5 volt 3 ampere. The size is small, 26.4 mm in length, 15 mm width and of 7.4 mm height. So it is perfectly fitting into my project. So I bought another product, this one, eHub ultra small 5 volt micro USB DIY power bank charging module circuit board step up with LED indicator. Here input voltage is 3.7 to 5.5 volt. Charging current is 1 ampere max and output current is also 1 ampere. Here charging will be slow and this one charging will be faster because it provides up to 3 ampere. Here discharge efficiency is 85%. Here they mark the IC number. So while charging LED will be red and blue flash alternatively. While fully charged it will be blue continuous. In discharging time blue light is on and starts flashing when drops to 3.2 voltage, and it shows down automatically when battery voltage reaches 2.95 voltage. This is a good feature. Please check the question and answer if available. Heating issue is commented here. We see when in use. I will just unbox this USB module, okay, that I have ordered, and this packing is very good compared to the size of the product. I can say this USB module. Now I'll open this. Yeah, so I will show you like this. It will go and fix. I have to push it. I will not pushing it right now. Okay. Then these are the positive and negative terminal, and the small portion, if you see this one, this is IC, okay, and there is a LED, small LED. This one is the small LED. Hello everyone, so I will just unbox the USB module that I have seen. It is up to 1 ampere maximum. Okay, the product link is in the description box. So you see this is a USB module, USB female port, and okay, I didn't get it actually. There is a small USB inlet port also, and this DC in DC out. I have to go through it and I'll see what the function is and I will do accordingly. So it's a very good product, and we see this USB is perfectly fitting, and also this port is also fitting correctly. So this product is as far as fitment is concerned, is very good. We'll see how it will perform when we'll apply some voltage or apply the input power. Then we'll see that how much output power it gives, and we'll see its conversion efficiency. It is written that discharge efficiency was 85%. We will figure it out. Thank you. Now I will use this. I have this 9-volt battery, so, and I am taking one USB fan and this USB cord. So let us put it like this here. It's like, okay, now this fan should open. So this positive to positive, and I am taking one USB fan and this negative to negative. Yeah, you see it is charging. If I open it, it will not charge. So see this charging. That's it. Please do subscribe and click on bell icon if you want to see more interested projects and detailed unboxing reviews videos like this. Thank you and bye bye for now. We'll see in next video.